Fishing is a big part of our Icelandic culture and has kept this nation alive through the years. Over 9,000 people are employed by the industry, which is in total 5% of our workforce. Me myself used to be a fisherman once back in the days. Now I'm preparing a nice big fish meal for lunch at the Reykjavik Harbor, as you can see. So we have 4 different types of fish that we will be cooking today in the pan, covered in butter with lots of nice vegetables and beautiful things. We start by frying some spring onions in the grill pan. Bit of Icelandic sea salt made in a sustainable way using geothermal powers. Now the spring onions are nicely cooked, so put them aside. Then we fry the langoustines, so I have a few tails of langoustine, nice and big. A touch of sea salt and a touch of white pepper. Now I will remove the langoustines before they cook fully. Got a nice warm pan here. Atlantic wolffish. I have nice pieces of monkfish. And then of course the cod, the Atlantic cod. We pop some sea salt in the pan. Needs a bit of white pepper. As the dish is finished all in one pan, we put the rest of the ingredients in the pan. So I have some cooked small potatoes. We add some butter to make the dish richer and more creamier. And then we add some nice cherry tomatoes from a local producer. We add the spring onions we grilled before. We pop in the langoustines to be reheated. Then I've marinated some green apples with dill. These are put to finish off the dish at the very end. Last but not least, we put in a few slices of lemon to squeeze over the dish. Now's the time to dig in and see how it is. Beautiful Icelandic wolffish and langoustines to die for.